Hi guys, this is Irfan here from SmartEaIncubator.com and welcome to another weekly analysis video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down some charts for you, especially on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, because there's no point to go for 5-minute and 15-minute time frame because it's a weekly analysis video. But I want to start with GBPUSD and show you what kind of a structure it had in the past week and what it might do in this week, which already started. So the market is already open an hour ago, so nothing major is changing right now. So that's why I had time to make this video and show you guys what my opinion is on this specific pair, which is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD on 1 day. Let me show you the daily and 4-hour time frame, because it makes more sense if I'm doing a weekly analysis video, right? Okay, as you can see, GBPUSD on daily time frame, we definitely have a bearish trend. So if you zoom out, you can literally notice that we have so many lower lows and lower highs that kind of formed for GBPUSD, and a few breakout structures towards downside. And that's why I can literally notice that we have a downtrend for daily time frame. And also we have this breakout structure right here. We have this major breakout structure right here that makes this trend bearish. But on daily time frame, I can see a high probability supply zone, which is from here all the way to here. See, and I can break it down in 4-hour, in 1 hour, in 15 minutes to get to a specific candle that is a high probability order block, or I would say a high probability supply zone, and then we can be more careful about that area because we probably can take a sell position over there. So this is for GBPUSD for the daily time frame, but for the demand zone, I can't really see any high probability order block. So there was a high probability order block right here, from here to here, because we had a bullish engulfing candle here, and the next candle literally opened inside. So it's not a high probability order block anymore, but we have a really good indicator that the price is probably trying to go towards upside and hit this level to do a little bit of correction, although we have a bearish market. So this is some kind of a correction that we are experiencing right now. And if I go to 4-hour time frame, you probably can see the same thing. So in 4-hour, I can't specifically see any high probability order block because it's already tapped into, so this one doesn't count. So we're gonna stick with the daily time frame. But as you can see, even in 4-hour, we formed this W here, and also this support level. So, and also we have this bullish engulfing candle, correction, another bullish engulfing candle. So in my opinion, it's kind of trying to reach this level and then do a little bit of consolidation and then drop significantly to stop out all these buyers in this area that it already did, or it just breaks above this level. I don't know. I'm just predicting that this is what might happen. But since we have a few liquidity grab all the way to here, there's less chance that it comes all the way to this area to stop out all these buyers here. See, because we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here that is still not tapped into. So we have potential to see such a thing. Or the second scenario is that after seeing the higher highs and higher lows, the price literally is going to break above this zone here, and then we're gonna reach this level here to stop out all sellers around this area. Because again, we have so much liquidity here, we have liquidity around this area, and we have lower lows and lower highs. So let's go to 4-hour time frame, and then you'll see that beside this candle, we also have this candle right here, which is a high probability demand zone. So if I see that the price or the candle tap into this level and I get a very good bullish engulfing candle, then I probably be looking to taking a long position. I am going to put my stop loss here and my TP somewhere around here. It would be a really good risk reward ratio trade, only based on 4-hour and daily time frame. But if I break it down to 1 hour, we have this high probability order block here. So I just, I'm breaking it down, and also we have this high probability order this break of a structure here. We have liquidity here. So after seeing this break of a structure, after a huge shoot towards upside, I would say a huge spike towards upside, we can experience this correction that's going to tap into this level, and then if I see a good bullish momentum, I'm going to take this buy, which is absolutely crazy. So this is for GBPUSD. It's trying to create higher highs and higher lows in lower time frame, but again, in overall and on a daily time frame and on 4-hour time frame, we are experiencing a bearish market. But we'll see what happens. Today is Sunday. The market hasn't moved that much, so we're going to see what happens exactly tomorrow morning during New York session. This is exactly when I trade all the time. So this is for GBPUSD, guys. But if you have any question, drop your comment here. I personally get back to you and answer all your questions regarding my analysis. So let's go to EURUSD to see what's going on here. It's almost the same as the GBPUSD. As you can see, I had some zones that it kind of specified, so I'm going to remove everything here. It's way easier. And if I go to daily, I'm going to break it down to 4-hour and 1-hour. Even in daily, look at this, lower lows and lower highs. We are experiencing a bearish market here. Again, we have so much liquidity around this area because the sellers literally put their stop loss around this area, so it has to be tapped into. We have so much liquidity here. We had a few breakout structures that shows you have a bearish market, and here again the same thing as GBPUSD. It's formed this W pattern here, which is a good sign of reversal. So it means that it's trying to reverse the trend. So in daily time frame, I personally can't see any high probability demand zones or even supply zones because it's not really clear. Oh yeah, I can actually see one here. See, from this candle all the way to here, because after a huge drop that we had here, this candle never tapped into this zone, so that's why we had a space here. So this space makes this zone a high probability supply zone, and as you can see, it just keeps going. And also we know that we have a bearish market, so we can wait for the price to tap into this level, and then we can be ready for a very good sell position. Okay, or you can just literally take the buy position here as the price tries to reach this level, and by doing that you can take more profits. And if you break it down to lower time frames, you see that you can catch the moves because it's creating higher highs and higher lows just because of this. Here's the base of it, and then it's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. You can still use high probability order blocks and also Fibonacci level to kind of identify where to take your buy position. So for example, in this area we have this high probability order block, which is not a high probability demand zone anymore because it literally broke below this level, so this is completely invalid. But if I break it down to lower time frames, you see that we clearly can see higher highs and higher lows structure, but I can't see any high probability order block. And also we had this break of a structure here, so you got to be careful with that, guys, if you want to take a buy position, because the market is definitely a bearish market. And we have this high probability order block here as well, which is this is not going to count because it's very weak towards the market, so I'm not going to count that one. But what I'm trying to say is that the price is trying its best to go up, but if you want to take a position, you need to be careful. For example, if I want to show you the Fibonacci level on this one, you'll see that the drop happened from this candle here. From this candle to this candle, it's kind of testing the Fibonacci level, but it broke above this, so it's not valid anymore. So again, it might be the reason that the price is still trying to go up and it doesn't respect the golden zone. This is my opinion here. I'm not going to take a trade right now. I'm just analyzing the market for you. I'm going to wait for New York session. Right now is London session. The market literally opened an hour ago, so I'm not going to take any position. And London session, like when the market just opens, like during Asia session or anything like before London session, New York session, it's very unpredictable. It doesn't follow the rules most of the times. It's very choppy, it's fluctuating most of the time, so you got to be careful with that. And that's why I'm just showing you the overall trend of the market and the potential trades that you can take based on the trend and based on what I'm seeing right now. So this is for GBPUSD, EURUSD, and also I want to show you one last thing, which is going to be gold. And then I can end this video with a very good analysis, because in my opinion there's going to be so much potential for this week on these three pairs. And as you know, guys, I don't trade gold at all. Gold Ea Incubator does that for me, and I don't even look at it, but I'm going to analyze it for you to show you, what my opinion is, what the structure of the market is. But personally, I only trade on GBPUSD, EURUSD, sometimes NAS100. But Gold Ea Incubator does that for me completely hands-free. While I'm sleeping during London session, it opens and closes trades in profit for me, and I can show you the results here as well if you're aware of it. On a brand new account that we installed in March 7th, and today's date is March 20th, but the last trade was taken on March 18th, which with 31% gain, guys, like in 2 weeks on a brand new $1,000 account, and profit we made $311. I have tons of videos about Gold Ea Incubator, go check it out. And then if you're interested, you can try it for 7 days for free, 100% free of charge. And if you're happy with the results, go ahead and sign up with real accounts. Okay, so this is the result for that. And for gold, yeah, this is going to be interesting, guys. I'm going to start with daily, as you know. Definitely bullish, guys. And if you remember, even last week when I was analyzing gold, we still had this breakout structures in these areas that makes this trend a bullish trend, just because of these multiple breakup structures that we had. And right now, as you can see, it's doing its correction after a huge spike that it had from here all the way to here. It's trying to do a little bit of correction, and then it probably goes up, but I don't. Okay, so this is an So this used to be a high probability demand zone, which is not anymore, but we do have a high probability demand zone from here to here. So this is a high probability demand zone on a daily time frame, but if you want to use your Fibonacci level from where it started all the way to where it ended, you can experience a high probability order blocks. Okay, not a high probability order block, I'm talking about the golden zone from this level to this level. So this is our golden zone. I'm going to kind of write down here golden zone GZ, so you don't want to get it mistaken by high probability demand zone that I kind of specified here. This is it. And also we had a really good candle when it tapped into this golden zone, and it tried to go up, but right now it's doing its correction just because we have a high probability demand zone from here to here. So it's probably trying to, you know, kind of play around here, and then gives us a you know, high probability, not a high probability, just a good bullish momentum. Then we can think about buying the market. And the reason is that we had a bullish market, guys, and if you want to use your Fibonacci level, you can start it from the bottom where it started all the way to where it ended and the correction started, and you see that we have our golden zone between 50% and 60% level. So I'm going to remove the Fibonacci, and then what you're left with is this golden zone here, this bullish engulfing candle here, and it tried to go up, and then it formed this high probability demand zone. Now the price is trying to play, as I said, in this area because there's so much room. And then if you want to take your position somewhere around here after seeing a good bullish momentum, then you can put your stop loss here and your TP all the way to here, or to the next high probability supply zone, which could be this one right here, or this one right here. Okay, so we have like two high probability supply zones on a 4-hour time frame, and also this one right here. See, these are all high probability supply zones. But let's talk about the risk reward ratio. So let's say you take it somewhere around here, and then you want to close your trade right here. So it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade, which is absolutely easy to take. And if, as I break it down, you can see the creator, like, you know, the creation of this structure way easier, and you can, you know, get a very sniper entry trade based on the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. If you're a swing trader, I'm not a swing trader, swing trader, I'm a scalper, so I only trade during London session when it opens for almost an hour and a half, specifically on GBPUSD, EURUSD, and NAS100, and on a 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. I don't go for daily or 1 hour or 4 hour. I just analyze the market on 1 hour sometimes, but I take my trades on 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. So for example, in this case, it's in 1 hour time frame. We have this breakup structure here, so we have this high probability order block, see, from here to here. So there's so many demand zones and supply zones all the way together that could make you confused. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to analyze the market on every single time frame. You don't have to do that. I can promise you that. Only 2 to 3, max 3, max. But I stick with 5, 15, maximum 1 hour. That's it. But what I'm trying to think is that it probably goes all the way to here and then tap into this level, respect it, and then drop significantly towards this area, and then you can probably expect the price to reach this area right here, because we have a high probability. Oh, we don't actually have this here, somewhere around here, and then we can take our long position, buy position here, put our stop loss here, and our TP somewhere around here. So it's a 1 to 3 risk to ratio if you want to close it here, but if you want to leave a runner, then feel free to do that. It would be a huge RR, risk to ratio trade, which is absolutely crazy. So we're just looking for more opportunities. So let's go for 30 minutes. See, huge drop. We're waiting for this order block to get tapped into, and then probably sell again all the way to here, and then we probably can see a bullish momentum around this area. So that's it, guys. This is my analysis. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. And by the way, if you have any question regarding my analysis or Gold Ea Incubator, but feel free to ask me by dropping your comment here, or you can personally reach out to me. I get back to you and answer all your inquiries. Again, thanks for watching this video, and see you tomorrow.